22nd नेशनल अवार्ड्स हैव बीन अनाउंस्ड और वो फिल्म जिसको बेस्ट हिंदी फीचर फिल्म का अवार्ड मिला है वो है बायोग्राफिकल ड्रामा श्रीकांत, जो कि 2024 में रिलीज हुई थी एंड वी ऑल लव्ड इट, राइट? और आज उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए वी हैव इट्स प्रोड्यूसर एंड डायरेक्टर निधि एंड तुषार, जिनसे हम बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे और उनको कंग्रेचुलेट भी करेंगे। बट बोथ ऑफ यू, फर्स्टली अ वार्म वेलकम ऑन पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations on behalf of everybody in my team and on behalf of everybody who loved the film just like I
Oh,
did.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
But पहला obvious question, guys, कितनी बार खुद को पिंच कर चुके हो? Has it sunk in?
Not
No,
yet.
no, I don't know if it can sink in.
Actually, we were in Goa. We were celebrating my birthday, so we just come back yesterday, day four actually, and we've not met anyone in Bombay. So we got these. Obviously, we got calls and messages. We've not met anybody, so I don't know. It's still not sunk in yet. It might sink in after a day or two if I meet more people, and then it might. But at the moment,
Right.
it still
Right.
feels surreal. I don't know. Is it still real? I have no idea.
No, but tell me यार, मतलब आप गोवा में जैसे आपने कहा you were celebrating your birthday और तब probably you got the news call आया होगा कुछ, तो पहले ऐसा तो नहीं लगा कि कोई आपको बर्थडे में प्रैंक कर रहा है?
I thought it was a dream. I was sleeping. I got up in the afternoon because थोड़ा hangover भी था. So I got up in the afternoon and I thought it was a
We
dream
were
or
at
something.
my cousin's house, and my friend had come to meet me. So I was sitting with my friend having coffee, my cousin and his wife, and the kids were playing there in the pool, and he was having a nap. And suddenly he woke up and he comes outside with the phone in his hand and this incredible look saying, Nidhi, we won the national award. I thought, pagal ho gaya, sapna aa raha hai, so cute hai. I said, go back to sleep, you're still sleepy. He's like, no, really, I've got a call. I said, who's pranking you? And we didn't believe it, and even didn't believe it, and we didn't even have network to try and search. But my friend who was there, she had network. So from her phone, we logged on and we realized, okay, we've actually won. Yeah, it's not sunken. It's huge, but it's not sunken yet.
No, but congratulations, यार. It's
Thank you.
not a small thing, and especially congratulations to you, Nidhi, क्योंकि आपकी second film only as producer और such a huge recognition.
Yes, that's why I feel like it's such a big responsibility now. Abhi tak to I was just flowing, doing what I feel like doing. I think I will still do that, but it just puts a little bit of responsibility on you that, okay, I don't know, I'm still processing it, but yeah, it feels like a huge responsibility now.
राइट, पर तुषार, जैसे कोई भी फिल्म मेकर फिल्म बनाता है, कोई प्रोड्यूसर इनफैक्ट नदी उस पर अपना पैसा डालता है, आई एम श्योर इंटेंशन, ऑल्सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, कि क्या इंटेंशन ये रहता है कि यार ब्लॉकबस्टर बनानी है और बिल्कुल ही हिट बना देनी है और फिर अवार्ड्स को ध्यान में रख के, और यू वन ऑफ दोस पीपल जो अच्छी फिल्म बनाते हैं लोगों तक पहुंचाने के लिए?
I am of the second kind of the person that अच्छी picture बनाते हैं लोगों को पहुंचाने के लिए. I always feel that movies should be made and most important movies should be released. That's the toughest part. Making movies is not the toughest part. Releasing the film is the toughest part. That's where you need a strong producer like Bhushan Kumar.
Thankfully, we had Bhushan
Yeah,
back
so
us from the
because
get-go.
these are not those your typical Bollywood film. Plus, we started this film post-COVID, so it was a tough period. So blockbuster तो हम सबको बनाना है. Everyone wants to make a blockbuster. Everyone, like you said, everyone there's a wish for everything. But the main purpose is that as a filmmaker, you want your film to be released and loved by the people who see it.
Right, and there's so
And
much in a
especially in a
bucket list.
biopic, and especially in a biopic, if you're making a biopic, the character that you're making it on should feel that he's been justified and he's been played right.
Right. And
You
I
have to
think
be
यहाँ
honored.
पे it gives you double happiness that you
Yeah.
made a biopic and that got recognition
Yeah.
Yeah.
and that got validation. But Nidhi, I want to ask you, how challenging is it कि जब आप इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट पे एक फिल्म बनाते हो जो मासी नहीं है, इन जो सो कॉल्ड टर्म्स हमको बना दिए
Yes.
गए हैं,
Yes.
टू फाइंड अ बैकिंग फॉर पीपल, जैसे आप लोग इसके साथ जुड़े हो, सो यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस विद द स्टोरी कि नहीं यार
Yeah.
ये आनी चाहिए, लोगों को के सामने पहुंचनी चाहिए. बट चैलेंज कितना रहता है कि ऐसे लाइक माइंडेड लोग मिलें जो उसको फाइनेंशियल
बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है बिकॉज व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आउट सांख्यांक जैसे हमारी पहली पिक्चर थी तो उसमें हमें बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगा था बिकॉज तुषार वाज अ राइटर टिल देन, वो उसकी पहली फिल्म थी. आई वाज वर्किंग एज अ मैंने टैलेंट के साथ एजेंट bani hui hu. I was with the big agency. I was managing talent. After that, I was with Dharma as a creative head for a bit. So I was also doing my job. So none of us were in like a independent sort of a role as such. And then we decided to open this company ourselves. But to find Sankyang हमने शुरू तो कर लिया कि हाँ तू भी नौकरी छोड़ दे मैं भी छोड़ देती हूँ. We'll make a film. Two idiots with a dream. And then we realized, wait, hold on. There's a lot more that goes into it. We need somebody else. And it took a long time to shop. But we got Anurag Kashyap, Madhu Mantena. They just like came and they were just like, we are there, we're going to make this film. So that took longer to find the right partner, but once they were on board, we made it. This time with Srikanth, in fact, it was easier because Bhushanji was ready from before we knew what we were making. That whatever you're making, I'm backing you. So when we made this, wrote this script और हम उनके पास गए, I wasn't sure how he'll react, but he was on board from the get-go कि नहीं ये picture तो हम बनाएंगे, and he always had a lot of faith, conviction in the story, and in Tushar also a lot that he will pull it off.
The problem is COVID hit us
Yeah.
badly. So when we
Right.
narrated and then COVID came in the middle, I think that really took a toll on us. That got in fact it took a toll on everybody.
मार्केट खराब थी तो बजट कट हो गया सडनली. नाउ वी हैव टू रीवर्क एवरीथिंग. श्रीकांत इज अ फिल्म जो 5 आउटडोर बनी है जहाँ पे एक इंटरनेशनल आउटडोर है. तो
और 2 महीने में शूट हो गई.
42 days में शूट.
It was supposed to be shot in 80
60.
days initially, then we made it 65 because we were told to cut the budget, to cap the budget. So then we came down to 65, but I finished it in 42 days.
Yeah, and but Tushar, I'm also curious to know कि as a writer अगर आपकी work को देखें तो you've also written some very humorous films, वो जो typical मासी एक कैटेगरी में फॉल करती हैं. फिर जब आपके डायरेक्टोरल वर्क को देखते हैं तो वो इस तरह का है जैसे कि लोगों तक पहुंचाने वाला है. सो ये दो चीजों को जो आप जगल करते हैं, ऐसे में कमिंग अप विद एन आइडिया ऑफ मेकिंग अ बायोग्राफिकल ऑन अ पर्सन जिसको इतनी बड़ी आबादी वाले देश में शायद हैंडफुल लोग जानते हो. आई वांट टू नो हाउ डिड दैट हैपन.
So that is because of this girl called Nidhi Parmar who came into my life. So that's why a company is called Chalk and Cheese. I'm sure you know about that.
Right.
That if you look at us, we are completely two different people. She's glass, I am mass. And so these ideas that come from her, and in fact, she saw this article about Srikanth on Facebook. And to be honest, I always I always wanted to write serious films, but what happens in this industry is that if you are doing well in a certain way, आप बोलते हो चलती हुई गाड़ी की bonnet नहीं खोलते. So you're doing certain way, you're doing well, and I was really doing well. So I kept on getting the same work. So that is why I give credit to two people who came and changed my life. One is Nidhi, and one is Mohit Suri, who gave me a chance to write Ek Villain. That was the turning point in mine, and also because Ek Villain, Mohit made me come on the set every day. So he literally made me like a co-director, and that's where
almost assisted him. So
yeah, so that's where I got. In fact, I was the associate director on that film. He gave me a credit also, and that's where I think I got my bearing to become a director also. So that became these two, because even Mohit kind of makes it in a real way. If you see his kind of films, and Nidhi. So these two people in my life have made the mass out of me into semi-mass.
Semi-mass and towards the class.
And little class. Yeah.
बट निधि, जैसे कि हर हस्बैंड वाइफ के रिलेशनशिप को भी चॉक एंड चीज कहते हैं, और यहाँ तो आप क्रिएटिव पार्टनर्स भी बन गए हो और नाम भी रख दिया चॉक एंड चीज फिल्म्स. अभी मेरे को यार ये थोड़ी सी क्यूरियोसिटी तो ऑब्वियसली होगी जानने की कि ये जो क्रिएटिव पार्टनर्स जब आप बने हैं तो क्रिएटिव डिफरेंसेस एज ही आल्सो सेड और मास का, यार तो कैसे उसको बैलेंस करते हो? क्योंकि हमारे सामने जो एक फिल्म आती है उसमें हमें नहीं दिखता कि यहाँ पर कोई लड़ाइयाँ हुई होंगी, हमें एक बहुत अच्छी दिल तक छूने वाली फिल्म मिलती है.
हम फ्रॉम द मिनट जब आइडिया मिलता है till the final cut is done, we are fighting every day, every
See, it's all my hair changing.
नहीं, but हम बहुत लड़ते हैं. और I think in the first film it was a challenge because we were partners for the first time, we were teaming up. उसमें बहुत clashes होते थे. But Anurag Kashyap one day he saw how we used to fight.
First 2 days.
I think it was the first week at some point. We were fighting a lot because I was very serious producer. He was a very serious director. First time we have a lot to prove. Like नहीं अभी pack up तो अभी pack up, और उसका था नहीं मेरा shot नहीं पूरा. We were fighting a lot, and Anurag just did something wonderful which I feel has saved us as partners in work and personally is that he said that when you're working together, don't live together. He took him to another room, वहाँ पे इसका सामान उठाया, दूसरे रूम में डाल दिया, तू अब इधर रहेगा, वो अलग अलग कमरों में रहोगे तुम.
हाँ.
And I kid you not, it was the Guru Mantra that he gave that saved us, because वो जो space रात को हमें मिल जाती थी, it was very important to
Right.
then miss each other, come back in the morning with ideas, discuss, tempers have been settled. तो वो हमें first film में बहुत help किया. Now it's become a mantra. Every film we don't live in the same room. And also secondly, हमें भी समझ आ गई अब काम करके कि जब हम लड़ते हैं वो personal नहीं है, वो film के लिए. Now we've also become less insecure, I guess, of our roles. We know that no, we are not trying to outdo each other. We're working as a team. तो अगर अब ये होता है कि झगड़ा हो रहा है तो या तो मैं इसको मना लूंगी या मेरे को मना लेगा. That is the only goal. We don't. Whoever makes more sense for the script wins. तो वो fight अब हमें समझ आ गई कि वो personal नहीं है, वो film के लिए. And we don't carry it. The minute it's over, it's over. It
That's
doesn't
the
carry
good
on to
part.
other conversations. Yeah.
Right. और ultimately content is king और वो king आप audience तक
Yes.
पहुंचा रहे हो and audience is loving it. But Tushar, I have to ask you this question कि जैसे कि नेशनल अवार्ड मिला तो ये आपके क्रिएटिव एफर्ट का एक वैलिडेशन तो है, राइट? बट बॉक्स ऑफिस, लाइक यू सेड, यू फॉल इन द सेकंड कैटेगरी ऑफ फिल्म मेकर्स, बट बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेस कितना आपके हिसाब से इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है?
Of course, बहुत, because you have to understand, I'm a writer who believed in box office first, right? I made films, like you said, I made those kind of films which did well on box office. So now I try a conscious effort, like we said, we mix it up. So like even if you see Sand Ki Aankh or Shrikant did quite well at box office. It was a success at box office too. So we try to make good films, but in an entertaining manner. Otherwise, like if you say I have made biopics, right? Otherwise, it would be like a documentary.
Right.
I don't want to make a documentary. I want to make an entertaining film that people enjoy, people get inspired, people clap, people laugh, people cry. That's my aim. So that's, as a maker, I try to do that. And that's how, because for me, while choosing a subject also, I have this body reaction. When I hear it from my writers, I'll either cry or I laugh on the spot when I hear it the first time, I jump like a baby. So I know that this is what I require to get out in the scene also when I'm supposed to do. So somehow, I don't know, I've got this, I'm lucky that I have this feeling still in me, and as a 51-year-old man, as a child, to make a film.
राइट. एंड आई थिंक अभी क्योंकि एक वैलिडेशन जब मिल जाता है तो एक लगता है कि किसी ने पीठ थपथपाई है, तो फिर वो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एज निधि ऑल्सो सेड अर्लियर, भी लगती है. नाउ विद दिस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एट द बोथ ऑफ यू एंड योर शोल्डर्स, what are the kind of films that you will want to tell us even in a more creatively engaging manner, Nidhi?
I think that हमारा ना, actually we have always had a very clear sort of a mission of how we'll make movies. That doesn't change. वो हमारी अगली जो 4-5 पिक्चरें जो हमने ऑलरेडी रेडी करके रखी लिख के, अगर हम अभी बैठ के उनको डायसेक्ट करते हैं, उनमें से कोई भी ऐसी नहीं है कि अब नेशनल अवार्ड मिल गया तो नहीं बना सकते. ऐसा कुछ उसमें है ही नहीं, बिकॉज हमारा इंटरनल कंपस जहाँ पे पॉइंट करता है वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है. वो एक ही टाइप की स्टोरीज, अभी आई डोंट नो इफ वी इवॉल्व इनटू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मेकर्स, बट राइट नाउ इवन द एंटरटेनिंग सब्जेक्ट, आई थिंक आवर लेंस इज डिफरेंट. वो नहीं है कि हम किस सब्जेक्ट पे बना रहे हैं. और जो तुषार का लेंस है, वो लेंस ही बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल, पॉजिटिव. इट्स नॉट वाइट वॉशिंग वाला नहीं है. ही डजंट वांट टू वाइट वॉश थिंग्स, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही वांट्स टू प्रेजेंट अ ग्रेव थिंग विद सॉफ्टर टच. आई थिंक वो इसका स्टाइल है. तो वो जो भी हमारा सब्जेक्ट है उसमें इमोशन इन्फ्यूज कर देता है. आई मेक श्योर वी स्टे ऑनेस्ट. सो आई थिंक दीज टू थिंग्स दैट वी ब्रिंग इनटू इट, वो हम हर एक स्क्रिप्ट में रेप्लिकेट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अब ये है कि अब हमें डेफिनेटली वी वांट टू बैलेंस द कॉमर्स एंड द क्रिएटिव तो हम करते ही आए हैं, उतना जान देते ही आए हैं. कॉमर्स समझने में टाइम लगता है. आई थिंक वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट वर्क्स नाउ एंड व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज जरूरी है. अगर हमें भी आगे करियर चाहिए, वी वांट टू मेक, वी हैव टू मेक मनी. इफ आवर फिल्म्स डोंट मेक मनी, हमें कोई पैसा देगा ही नहीं पिक्चर बनाने के लिए. So thankfully, Shrikant was a sweet mix between creative and commercial success. But yeah, we would want to do better and better work.
And I also like to shift this question to Tushar, क्योंकि Nidhi, from my understanding, your lens doesn't have many colors. आप बहुत clear हो, but Tushar's lens is a rainbow. और वो उस रेनबो के स्पेक्ट्रम से अगली फिल्म के लिए कलर पिक करना, considering at a time when the national award has happened.
See, now it is, I'll be lying to you that no, now it's very nice. There's no pressure. Of course, there's pressure.
Yeah.
There is a relief. I think now I have the confidence more that actors will meet me and hear my script and have a chance to make a bigger film. But like she said, we've already written our films. We don't write films according to actors. We write films according to the subjects that we like and subjects that resonate with us.
Right.
Like also, we made a Marathi film before this. We produced a Marathi film called Ata Thambacha Night, which has swept all the awards in the Marathi section.
हमने launch किया एक नए लड़के को as a director.
Shivraj
Ah.
Vaichal. And now we are making a Hindi film with him. So that's the next film. So basically, we believe in people and we believe in subjects that resonate with us. So luckily, both of us somehow, because of so many years together, have come to one sensibility that this is the kind of subject that we want to make. Yes, we do have a lot different subjects that we both want to make, but that what happens is now we've realized we work separately, built it up ourselves, and then come and explain to each other, try to pitch it to each other.
Right.
That's our way we do it. Not necessary that we will like each other's subject.
बहुत सारी मेरे सब्जेक्ट्स है जो उसको नहीं पसंद है मैंने कैन कर दिया इसके सब्जेक्ट है मुझे नहीं पसंद तो we have both have to like it.
And also,
Right.
you have to see, I always believe that you have to see the market sentiment around you, right? The things that are happening around you. You need to be aware of what is happening around you. So for me, most important is that when you pick up a subject, how relevant it is and how new. That's my basic point. I always want to say a subject which is new and relevant, which I know will, when I tell it to you, you will say, wow, this idea, why didn't I think about it? That is the kind of subjects I like to, and that's what has been happening to me. Like whenever I tell them that anyone, like if I go in a group of friends of mine and they introduce me to someone and they say, this is the director of Shrikant, that guy actually looks at me at 5 minutes and can't believe that, are you really the director of Shrikant? So that's what it is. So, and then they'll ask me, how do you find these kind of subjects, right?
Right.
So that's the whole point, that we like to find subjects which is new, relevant, and different, and that it's across the path. That's what.
But also, do you agree to this thing कि audience भी बहुत receptive हो गई है in
Of
terms
course,
of
ma'am.
कि आप उनको जैसे you said there is a set pattern की relevance और वो सब, but you know there have been such content also, चाहे films हो या series हो, जिन्होंने they just swept us off our feet के यार ये भी हुआ है, you know, अरे ये तो हमें आज तक किसी ने नहीं
That is what
दिखाया.
I'm saying, right? If you look at last year, there were two films which is called Sayyara. Of course, Dhurandhar is something else only. That's a monster. But there was Sayyara and there was Narsimha, which hardly any promotion. New boy, new girl in Sayyara, Narsimha, an animated film. But they just came out of the thing. Why? Because the subject connected with people, right?
Correct.
That's what it is. And there was honesty to it, both the films. Both the makers, Mohit Suri and the person who made Narsimha, were honest to their craft. And
Right.
that's what cut through everybody. So that's what it is. It doesn't matter on your promotion, doesn't matter anything else. That proves it that today you have to get the right subject and be honest as a director to make the way you want to make.
Right.
That's what it is.
Exactly. COVID से एक चीज तो हो गई है कि पहले सिर्फ एक्टर से ओपनिंग मिल जाती थी. Now that is not enough. Now they
Correct.
want to know what the movie is about, whichever the actor is.
And
Sure,
the
there is a
actors have
chance.
realized that they
Yeah.
need to do the right subject to get the right
Correct.
audience.
Correct. Because at the end of the day, purpose तो entertainment का है. आप लोग
Yes.
entertain करने के लिए बना रहे हो और हम
बिल्कुल.
entertain होने के लिए देख रहे हैं.
Right.
So may that spirit always live long
Of
and
course, otherwise movies won't run, movies won't
हाँ.
be made.
People
Correct.
like us will get to make movies now. Basically, that's a good thing.
That is a good thing, and we'll
Yes.
get to watch great content with two different minds coming
Yes.
together. तो वो
Yes.
देखने में भी वो cheese and chalk का combination हमें बड़ा मजा आएगा. So wishing you both great
Thank you.
success in all your
Thank you,
future
Nidhi.
projects, and maybe continue to have many more interviews like this. And
Thank
thank
you.
you so much, and congratulations once again.
Thank you
I'm
so
so
much.
sorry for the
I'm sorry
delay.
for the delay,
That's
but thank
all
you
right.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.